Hi, my name's John, and you're on my YouTube channel, Highbanks.pilgrim. I chose Pilgrim in my channel title because I like walking the old pilgrimage routes in Europe, especially the ones across France. I chose Highbanks because that's the name of my own garden, located here near Ottawa in Eastern Ontario. Now, I like all sorts of gardens, and I'm running a series of videos on ones that have caught my eye. If I have a soft spot, it's for gardens that really show the character of their owners. Here comes one of my garden videos, and I hope you'll enjoy it. New York's Hudson Valley has some great gardens, and Innisfree is one of 3 that I visited in early 2022. It's laid out around a big lake, and you walk all the way around it to enjoy the garden. Light off the water and carefully placed boulders are a big part of this garden. Yaramizu means winding stream. The garden marries American landscaping with Chinese and Japanese design principles. Here's the terrace left over from a house that once stood on this site. Walter and Marion Beck were the owners, and they were fascinated by East Asian gardens, especially the gardens of the Chinese poet Wang Wei, who lived way back in the 8th century. Do you see the fountain beyond the trees? Lester Collins spent 50 years working with the Becks to develop this garden. Here is one of Innisfree's beautiful cup pictures, appreciated best when the dogwood is in bloom. Here's Innisfree on the map, and coming up is Stonecrop Gardens.